the pilgrimage to meet the Dalai Lama, to transform the world.
And look, America is politicians talking about democracy, liberty, freedom. They are supposed to solve these immediate problems, whether they can solve or not. Main purpose of our gathering is long-term strategy. Everyone, they have same potential. And you should create inner peace. Everyone, same. My fundamental belief, the very purpose of our life is happiness, joyfulness. And no need any religious faith, no church, no need temple. They how to promote human basic value. I want to remain simple Buddhist monk.
Everybody thinks of changing humanity.
Genuine peace must come from within.
And nobody thinks of changing himself.
There's a world that you can radically affect.
What I do, what I am, you can do. It is what you are.
And that is the world that is your own universe, your body, yourself.
Are we going to make a plan for working on our own Tibets?
We are going to be our Dalai Lamas. We're going to be the Dalai Lamas.
You yourself must make the effort. The Buddhas are only teachers.
Yes, there is way, there is method and possibility to change our today's illness. We do not want even mosquitoes' pain. I do not want. But sometimes I really find difficult, you say, dialogue with mosquito and my pain.